Hey everyone, welcome back to another video by the Green Dot Group. I'm Tom West. Can't wait to share with you a little bit of information today in our video about the user needs statement. Before I dive into the user needs statements, just want to rewind a little bit and talk about what has happened up to this point within the design process. So at the early part of the design process, the team, the organization identifies a challenge that's appropriate to address using the design thinking method. They go out, they conduct research and collect qualitative information through maybe fly on the wall observations or deep dive interviews and begin to understand how the customer experiences that problem and allows the organization to reframe the opportunity from the customer's perspective. That information helps to create personas and really make the problem more personable and help the design team connect to the person they're designing for. A very effective way to help summarize that great information is to create a user needs statement. It takes the bigger problem and breaks it into smaller specific chunks that are very actionable and insightful and helps the team quickly connect to what are some of the problems that the customer is experiencing. But it goes a little bit beyond just what's the problem. It also helps to kind of look forward a little into the solutioning phase, part of the ideate step, and helps them really connect to what is that customer's goal. So the user's needs statement is exactly that. It is a very clear, concise description of the problem from the customer's perspective. And oftentimes what you'll see teams and organizations use to summarize this problem is a three-part formula: the user, needs, and their goal. Let's start with the user. This component is directly derived from the qualitative research that was done by the project team and is a summation of the persona. The needs is the individual's stated or unstated needs. Now the goal on the other part is the objective or the outcome that this user is seeking. When combined as a user needs statement, oftentimes you'll see it stated as a user needs a way to do something to accomplish a goal. This information, as I mentioned before, is meant to be very concise and very actionable. It's a helpful input into the design team's next step of starting to ideate and create a list of solutions that would address the customer's needs as well as support them in achieving their goal.